Let's fill out the Indiana ATV bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Hey there, and welcome! Today we're walking you through what you'll need for an ATV bill of sale in this state. And the good news is, it's pretty straightforward. First, the state has its own official form for this. It's called State Form 44237. You'll want to make sure you're using that specific form, so track it down before you get started. Now let's talk about what information goes on the form. You'll need to include the purchaser's name, so make sure that's filled in clearly. You'll also need the seller's address and the vehicle identification number, which is the VIN. That VIN is really important for identifying the specific ATV being sold. Here's something that might surprise you. This state does not require the bill of sale to be notarized, and there's no requirement to sign it under penalties for perjury. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.